So guys, how to trim a video clip in YouCut? It's really simple. Pinch out to zoom into timeline. Suppose we want to create a looping video clip like this one. For that, move the playhead to the location from where you want to trim, like here where the dance spinning nearly stops. Split it. Now select the part you want to delete. Then just press on delete. If you have made any mistake, click on this button to undo. Also, you can tap hold on the edge and drag it to recover or trim the video clip further. Now just duplicate the clip and reverse it to create looping dance animation. That's it. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.